Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making some Achar Ghosht. There's several different ways of making this, and today I'm making it slightly differently. So I have 4 pounds of meat here, and I added about 2 to 3 limes. I didn't have any lemons. I added 1 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1.5 packets of Achar Ghosht masala, and I'm gonna add 2 onions, sliced onions, and 1 tablespoon of garlic and half a cup of oil. I don't measure it, I'm so sorry, but you can measure it if you like. Give that all a good mix, and then add about 6 tomatoes. If you have small ones, add 8, but 6 should be enough. Give everything a good mix and refrigerate it overnight if possible. The next day, I just put a pot on the stove, and I added the marinated meat to that, and go ahead and leave that on high. And once it starts to bubble up, you're gonna go ahead and cover it and cook it on medium-high flame. Do check it in between, and give it a mix while it's cooking. You don't want it to burn the bottom of the pan. And once it starts to look something like this, check the meat to see if it's done and if it's tender enough. Then we're gonna go ahead and saute it on high till it looks dark brownish, and we're gonna go ahead and add about 1.5 glasses of water. And once you know that this is how much gravy you want, maybe after about 20 to 30 minutes, when it starts to look something like this, go ahead and add your green chilies. Now these chilies are not spicy. I just add them for garnishing basically. And go ahead and add some chopped cilantro and some julienne cut ginger slices or pieces, and your Achar Ghosht is ready. Serve it with naan. It goes really good with naan. So hope you like the recipe and hope it turns out good. Mine came out delicious. And see you again with another recipe. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like and a follow. And thanks again for watching.